Hi. Hello. Yeah, mutes. So today is beach day. Katie's come down. What am I saying? I don't know.
Brilliant.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good start. So basically, the uni's got this this day called Summer Ball. That's like a little festival for the whole day. It's got a shit lineup and it's expensive, so we've decided not to go there and have a sesh on the beach instead, and still do the same stuff that they do. Basically, after they've had the summer ball, they go to the beach for sunrise and you get a photo. So we're gonna try and make that.
My hairline's not.
You can't see your hairline.
You've got a fucking hat on though.
You're looking sexy. Whose shirt's that? That's a good shirt.
Oh, this one? Yeah, I got it a couple of days ago, mate.
Oh, did you? Yeah. Where'd you get it from?
Market.
Market, yeah.
Market.
Down Bournemouth Market.
Ah!
What are we doing now? Just wait to talk.
Yeah, because it's taking bloody ages. It's great. Great, mate. Cheers.
Stop filming. Stop it.
I used to tell a story.
Sam, we got the vlog on today.
We have got the vlog on.
Yeah. got any words?
Beautiful day.
Yeah.
Lovely, lovely day for a little swim. I'll go down there.
Oh yeah, I'm definitely doing that. Have you got a bikini or anything? Nah.
You're not swimming.
So basically, Lewis and I are doing like this cider thing. We got all the
doing
ciders.
cider first, aren't we?
Yeah, we are. We got quite a few.
I am not.
We found my favourite ciders in there.
I'm
Got Stoford Press.
Safe and fresh. I'm not even drinking tomorrow. Or today.
Oh yeah, I said you were going to teach it off.
Everything.
You're not drinking?
No, no, it's ridiculous. We gave up on the barbecue thing, so we just got sandwiches. It couldn't be asked to cook anything on them.
We bought a barbecue.
Yeah.
Some meat, so we'll cook that later.
Fair enough, that's good.
Yeah, how was your session?
It's going alright. Thank you, Sam. He's not even participating in the video. Have a swig of this, look.
It's not.
Not on. How was the Stofords? Oh, you're the worst person to do this with. How's that one? Pomegranate and what?
It's great.
It's what? Go on, show barcode. Or whatever it is.
Okay. There you go.
Lewis is drinking faster than I am. For once. Not a usual thing. Hello. Brandon, George, Tom, Richard, Ollie, these guys are twins. Louis, Sam, Lewis. Yeah, they don't look, well, they're identical, so. What do you think? They look similar? Yeah? Yeah. Tom, you look similar to Ollie apparently. You guys look similar apparently. Hello Richard. Right, on to the next one. 6%. This one from Herefordshire, which is nowhere near here. Apparently. No, try this one. Give this one a try. Oi, give this one a try. Oi. Have this one. Go on. Go on.
Oh, I'm not a fan of that.
Nah. It's a bit woody, isn't it? What's this one like? That one's just like, you'll get fucked from that one because it's so easy to drink.
Yeah, I like that.
That one's, what's that, a rattler? I'll cling on to this one then.
What's what halfway through?
You sure? So if you don't like it, I'll have it. Yeah, right. Group's getting bigger.
Oh yeah, you can get it for free. I was like, why? He was like, because you're a woman. I was like, that is so sexist, I can't believe it.
Could you just repeat the story? Because this is something we should expose, I think.
No, I can't do that.
Go on, what's going on?
In Jesters.
Where's that?
In Southampton.
Yeah.
In Portswood. On a Wednesday, if you're a girl,
It's
you
a
get
club
in for free.
night. Club night.
You get in for free
Not on.
because they're sexist. I think it's a bit of a like dick central to be honest, because they probably want girls in.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know.
It's
So, yeah,
a bit
not
fucked,
great.
isn't it?
But it's good for me because I got it for free. Oh, cute little man. Lewis.
He's so oblivious.
That little face. He doesn't want it.
Do you want to come sit over here?
Yeah, come chat here.
What?
But we're shouting at you.
You'll be in the vlog regardless.
You're actually more likely to be in it when you're facing report.
For what?
Illegal filming.
He doesn't care.
You can't do it. Oh, he's done it. Lovely.
Hey.
Proud, mate. Proud.
What are they using? Oh, the kebab skewers. That's
That is quite
genius. Cheers. Yeah, I'll give it a little review on this one. I consider myself a bit of a cider connoisseur, so this one is kind of like
horrible.
It's dry cider, so it tastes as you might expect for dry cider to taste. However, it's a bit woody. There's a bit of wood taste in there, which is alright. I don't mind too much, but Katie can describe it as vinegary.
Horrible.
I kind of understand that.
They're all like just smiling. They're like, spatula.
Oi, Brendan, is that a bit too PC to put in the...
Might just make it in.
It'll be fine.
If you didn't catch that, Sam went over to the guys who've actually got barbecue over there to ask for a spatula, and they didn't understand English.
Oh.
Oh.
I didn't understand.
And then Sam came over saying they're like, spatula, spatula.
Yeah. To be honest, I won't give us a fucking spatula.
I wouldn't give me a spatula either. They'll turn around half an hour later and someone's hitting someone with a spatula. It's with a hot spatula. So we're the last people left. Lewis, Magda, Tom, Brendan, Marta. We're a bit fucked, haven't we, boys?
Last survivors.
Yeah.
Well, not yet. We've got about 10 hours for that.
Yeah, we still got a while.
It's a marathon.
I found this hat, I don't know if you saw this. This is my mate's hat, it's purple, it fits perfectly with my shirt. Very good, I might take it. Me and Lewis, we've been through a lot of ciders. How were the ciders overall? I think they're pretty good.
They were all good apart from the Hennessy from.
There was a Hennessy, it was way too dry.
It was like 6% and it was really woody.
I say way too dry, it's just a standard dry cider, but
It tasted like
Stowford Press is still the favourite cider. If you're ever near like anywhere in like kind of West Midlands, kind of like Gloucestershire area, Stowford Press, get it on tap. It's fucking beautiful. It's great. It's perfect. Tom's over there. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes.
Hello, boys.
Oh, there we go. So right for now, what we got? We got sound. We got pre's. We got sound circus.
We got pre's.
Yeah.
Then we got sound circus.
Yeah.
And sleep.
Then we got.
Are you not going to survivors?
Then we're doing sunrise.
Marta's not going to make it.
I have work.
You're the sunrise.
Oh, beautifully done.
I've heard like some things about sundials about how like the road is like you walk on the road and it's like everyone's
Nice.
wants to be there and it's just sick. Ooh, hello.
I'm going to like.
Hello, boys. How you doing?
Mojo Vlogs.
Yeah.
I want to question my 1.5k
What's in that, Brendan?
subscribers. What?
Chicken, cheese, bacon.
Surely they have something better
that's
to do.
bad.
It's fucking sick.
Yeah, that's what I think all the time. I'm like,
This has been in the sun all day.
Emma Stone
That's dang.
Yeah, she's my
Flavour.
and my sister. Flavour.
and yourself.
And yourself.
Yeah. Emma. Yeah. Emma Stone.
Oh, fucking hell. Yeah. Emma Stone's fit, to be fair.
Ollie is. Yeah, I mean, Ollie's Emma Stone.
Hi.
It's all known that Tim likes 16-year-olds now.
Oh, Tim. Oh, Richard, you got with a 16-year-old when you were like 18, 19?
She was 17, I was 18.
He slapped her.
Which time?
He did what?
He slapped her.
He hit her?
It's true.
It's not true at all.
That was a sorry state.
First of all, she was
Yeah, right.
17. Second of all, we didn't fuck. Third of all, she asked me to slap her.
Did you know?
When you, she was 13? Oh!
She was a fetus. 17.
This is why you smoke so much.
It's to deal with the trauma.
How are you feeling from earlier? So, since we were last in this room, how are you feeling?
Fucked.
Yeah, fucked.
Need more alcohol.
We're both. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
You're not wrong. That's very bright. That's very, very bright. So, me and Lewis have been at the beach for a while, as you've seen.
For a while.
And a bit red and a bit fuck. Oh, what the fuck is this? Oh, of course it is. It's Tom. So we're going to sound circus in a bit, and I probably won't film anything because you can't really take cameras in there. But I'll pick up the camera as soon as we come to afters. I think you're pretty fucked as well, for us.
Not as much as you. You're
No.
fucked.
Well, no, I slur a lot, and I'm not actually too bad. I slur a lot. It's just fine. This is what's going on. There's a fucking police car over there. There's the aftermath. This is where the summer ball guys go to. I didn't bring my camera out. Now I'm just kind of waiting for the sun to start to rise, and I'll go down to the beach. I'm waiting with a cig someone gave me. Don't know, to be honest. I'm waiting for 3 people to get a Subway. I have no idea what's going on. This is great. Hello, Richard.
I want noodles.
Hello, Joe Vlogs.
Hello, Georgia.
Joe vlogs.
Hello, Ben. How's it
No,
going?
don't.
Did you guys on the Joe
See your
vlogs?
face.
Did you guys on the Joe vlogs? Oh, yeah.
It's a nice water. It's starting to get a bit lighter. Oh, the sun is coming up. Fine.
Right, what time is it, please?
Wow, the sun's rising.
I've got work. Very
Oh,
soon.
you've got one.
No, you don't have to work soon.
But you're calling in sick, I'm not.
I might call it sick. I'm undecided as of yet.
How are you undecided?
How are you going to make
You're
it?
not going to make it.
I'm not, you are fucked. You're not making it. Fuck.
I might
You're
make
not
it.
making
It's 4 in the morning.
It's 4 and you'll work at 9.
Hours to get to work. You're not making it.
I might have to give work a rest.
You might have to. Oh, there he is.
Go!
Look over there.
Oh no, we gotta go.
We gotta go. Ben. How's it going? Where's your lighter?
Oh no, Rich is going.
This is the amount of people that are at the beach to have the survivors photo shit. This is mental. We're all going over now. Yeah, we're having.
Over there.
We need a lighter though. When the photo, we're just gonna be asking for a lighter the whole time. Oh, you got a light, you got a light.
You got a light?
You can see me and you just trying to get loads of...
Just in the background.
You got a light.
Joe, that's a horrendous roll. No, get that out of the shot. That's
It's not even rolled. It's not even rolled.
Not even rolled. That is horrendous.
You got a lighter? You got...
No, I'm alright.
For fuck's sake.
Stop swearing at me. You should be happy.
I am happy.
It's 5 AM in the morning.
It
We're
is.
all alive. We're kind of sober. We're getting to see
Oh my god, look how many people there are. Hello. Ben, find a light.
Joe,
where are they? You got a lighter? No. You got a lighter? Oh, George,
have you got
Hello, team.
You decided to join the big group.
What are you eating? Where have you found that? Where have you found that?
what the fuck is
I have no idea.
Hello guys.
Oh, you're right.
Hello. Do you want to be in the vlog? I'll vlog the whole day.
Oh, it's already recording.
Kangaroo. Kangaroo.
What kangaroo? How you feeling, Ben? You got work. This is so close. Way too close.
The battery's fucked, mate.
On what?
On the camera.
Oh, you're joking.
Shame
You're
that.
joking.
Guess we're going home.
Oh, okay.
He's got one job and he's not doing it.
He's not doing it.
Oi, oi, oi! Oi, oi, oi! Oi, oi, oi!
That was it. That's all we got. That was it.
It's
alright.
Was that worth it?
Probably not.
No. I couldn't even see my face. Like, I mean,
really?
Can you see the camera?
My face is definitely in there.
I think my hand is over Tom's face.
That's not going in the vlog.
Yeah,
That's
make
not
it.
in the vlog.
Don't get it.
Hey, shocker.
Literally, didn't make the cut.
Fuck off then, boys.
I really want to go to